Good morning students. Welcome to our general knowledge class. So students, today we are going to learn traffic signs. So traffic signs means with the increasing traffic, it is imperative to have a system to guide pedestrian and motorist about safety and flow of traffic. Most traffic signs do not contain written instructions as it would be difficult for the uneducated and foreigners to read. Let's have a look at some common road sign. This is stop sign. When you have seen this sign, you should stop. This is no entry sign. No entry means in some area you have seen this sign means entry cannot allowed. Pedestrian prohibited means cyclists or people should not use this road because this could be for fast moving vehicles highway. No right turn. On the road where you see this sign, there you should not take right turn. Then no left turn. On the road where you see this sign, there you should not take left turn. No U-turn. When you have seen this sign in that area, U-turn not allowed. Overtaking prohibited means no overtaking. You might have seen this type of sign in valley or ghat region because in Ghat region, roads are narrow and roads are sloping upward or downward. So, don't do overtake. No honking. No honking means no horn. No horn in near hospital and silent zone. Means for example in court region, then religious places, library, then educational institute. In that area you have seen this type of sign. No parking. You should not park your vehicles in no parking area. If you park your vehicles, then RTO should charge fine on it. Speed limit. This is chart of speed limit. In some road you have seen speed limit. In crowded area there is speed limit. For example means 20 speed or 50 speed. Means you should drive your vehicles below 50 speed. Then pedestrian crossing. People should cross road through zebra crossing. School ahead means this symbol indicate there is school in nearby area. So you should drive your vehicles at low speed and you should not honking that area. Public telephone. In national highway you have seen this type of signs. Petrol pump. All of you know this sign. Then hospital. In any place if there is a hospital you should see this type of sign. Then danger sign means it indicate it is danger zone, you should not enter there. So students, you should follow these traffic signs for your safety and also tell your parents and relatives to follow the traffic signs and traffic rule. Thank you.